The Japanese Budget Method, Kakebo. Hi there, it's Luigi, and welcome to Catapult Capitalism, your guide in making smart financial moves for your future. If you enjoy watching our videos, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you get updated whenever we upload a new video. In today's video, we are going to tackle the century-old budgeting technique from Japan called kakebo. Many people have sworn that this technique helped them save so much and manage their finances effectively and efficiently. So if you're interested to learn the kakebo method, then keep on watching. Long before Marie Kondo appeared on Netflix, the Japanese had a culture entrenched in mindfulness. They believe that getting more food than one can ever finish is a sin. They avoid wasting resources and imposing on others. This attitude pervades every element of the Japanese life and is especially crucial for financial stability. This attention gave rise to kakebo, a minimalist budgeting technique that challenges you to analyze every cost and if it is necessary. Kakebo is more than just a budgeting system. It's a financial philosophy based on careful, thoughtful spending and saving. This may sound high, yet kakebo is a breeze to learn and adapt to your lifestyle. Devotees and promoters claim that kakebo users may save up to 35% on monthly costs. Aside from the expense of a pen and paper, kakebo is completely free. What is kakebo? Kakebo is derived from a Japanese phrase that means home finance ledger. A kakebo is essentially a physical budgeting journal. Users respond to a series of financial questions and create savings objectives. Then, they log their spending, categorize their purchases, and assess their expenses at the end of each month. With kakebo, though, there are no downloads, bank account linkages, or regular notifications. Simply good old-fashioned record keeping. More significantly, kakebo is intended to help you consider your relationship with money and why you make a purchase. While kakebo is still relatively new in the United States, it is a Japanese custom. Hani Motoko, a Japanese journalist, published about the procedure in a woman's magazine in 1904. Her readers, Japanese housewives in charge of their household expenditures, were drawn to the kakebo accounting system. When writer Fumiko Chiba released the book Kakebo, The Japanese Art of Saving Money in 2018, the concept immediately caught on in the West. Chiba and other scholars believe that kakebo represents Japanese cultural views about the significance of saving money. Cash serves a ceremonial function. Children are given money as a holiday gift, and they are urged to save it for worthwhile purchases. Adults too do not take money lightly. In comparison to other nations, Japan has a cash-heavy economy. Credit cards, which allow frequent large-ticket purchases, aren't used nearly as frequently as they are elsewhere. What are the benefits of kakebo? A kakebo is a fantastic tool for anybody interested in simplicity. Its emphasis on mindfulness distinguishes it from other budgeting methods, making it an excellent choice for people who wish to guarantee that their money is spent on activities that bring them joy. There are several advantages of adopting kakebo. It organizes expenditures into 4 main areas to simplify budgets. It promotes setting realistic monthly savings goals. It considers the present, the past, and the future. It emphasizes tiny daily savings rather than large lump payments, and it recognizes little accomplishments. How does kakebo work? Get a ledger. Kakebo adheres to its early 20th century Japanese heritage by requiring physical handwriting. Bullet diaries are effective, but any notebook will suffice. Subtract your fixed costs from your monthly revenue. Set your budget at the start of each month. Make a list of your monthly income and fixed costs. Don't overlook any debt you're attempting to pay off. Subtract your costs from your income to find out how much money you will have left over for additional monthly expenses. Set a monthly savings goal. Savings objectives are an essential component of kakebo. Setting realistic monthly objectives and writing down what you're saving for are encouraged by this technique. Once you've determined your target, begin saving by subtracting your goal amount from your available spending money. Make a list of your expenses. Keep track of your purchases in your ledger each week. Kakebo, like the new fad of bullet journaling, demands you to log your spending in real time, using pen and paper, which helps you slow down, pay attention to the present moment, and consider the long-term consequences of your spending. Kakebo identifies 4 pillars of expenditure categories. Needs: the essentials like housing, groceries, car payments, or student loans. Wants: enjoyable but not totally necessary purchases like takeout food, hobbies, and entertainment. Culture: any spending on cultural activities like books, museum fees, concert tickets, TV streaming services, and etc. Unexpected: other expenses that crop up like medical bills or home repairs. Sort everything you buy into categories. Record all of your purchases under their respective pillars, including the purchase amount. When you have to categorize anything, you give it more attention than you would otherwise. Answer 4 reflection questions at the end of the month or week. Write down your responses to the following questions on a monthly or weekly basis. What is your financial situation? How much money do you want to save? What are you spending your money on? What can you do better? The final question, how can you improve, is intentionally left open-ended. You are urged to think about and customize your response. Improvement may entail opting to spend more on things you truly appreciate or save more for something you're looking forward to and spend less on purchases you didn't place as much importance on. Alternatively, you may discover how to avoid an expensive unforeseen circumstance in the future. Your ultimate objective should be to increase your savings. Throughout the month, original Japanese kakebo books featured pictures of a savings pig battling a deadly expenses wolf. You might copy these drawings into your kakebo ledger, or you could get creative and come up with your own metaphor. Repeat as needed. Repeat the process until you reach your goals. The steps are quite basic and simple, so repeating the process is fairly possible. How is kakebo different from other budgeting systems? Kakebo is an amazing budgeting technique. For one thing, kakebo users handwrite budget items in real time. According to several research works, handwriting enhances memory and is a peaceful introspective practice. In fact, according to one research published in Psychological Science, students who took notes on paper did better on in-depth conceptual questions than students in the same class who took notes on laptops. It takes longer to write down the specifics of a purchase than it does to enter numbers into a computer or phone. Kakebo's categorization system forces you to reconsider every purchase and helps you focus on the more important things. How can kakebo help you save money? Kakebo maintains your financial objectives at the forefront of your mind. The kakebo strategy helps you save money gradually and sustainably over time. And because kakebo is intended for long-term financial planning, the 4 questions asked are essential in considering your future objectives. Kakebo, like any excellent budgeting method, assists you in planning for the future without feeling deprived or worried in the present. Kakebo's disadvantages. The main disadvantage of utilizing kakebo is that you must remember to keep track of it. To keep track of your expenditures, an automatic budgeting tool gathers information from your bank or credit cards. You are responsible for logging everything and holding yourself accountable for your spending with kakebo. That may not be a significant problem for other folks. You could embrace the chance to become involved and keep better track of your expenditures. However, if you don't want to carry a diary wherever you go, or don't trust yourself to remember to write your spending after the fact, kakebo may be a struggle for you. If you've had trouble creating and sticking to a budget, give Kakeibo a go. Manually tracking everything may help you finally get your financial life in order. Kakeibo may not deliver quick benefits, but it can enhance your financial thinking and management over time. If budgeting applications haven't worked for you, it might be worth your time to try this money management strategy. Kakeibo also goes above and beyond most budgeting systems by encouraging you to examine how you spend your money and suggest how you may be better. It provides a big picture, thoughtful view of your money that many budgeting methods do not provide, and that vision may be just what you need to put yourself up for financial success. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thank you for tuning in to Catapult Capitalism, and we'll see you later.